like, share and subscribe to this channel. Today, I am going to talk about home improvement bathroom. 4 things you have to know. Home improvement bathroom. The bathroom is the place of the house where people take showers, wash hands, brush teeth, use the toilet and bathe. Home improvement bathroom is a reasonable move to have a more comfortable room for all these tasks. There are so many types of bathrooms in the world. For example, the Japanese bathroom has a small space for a shower and sink. The Thai bathroom is designed with a bathtub or shower for family use. Home improvement bathroom could be a good idea. After all, when it comes to bath time, what better way to relax than in your own personal oasis? With all the time and money invested in your home, why not give your bathroom a makeover? But where do you start? A home improvement bathroom could be a good idea to make your bathroom and your life easier and nicer. It's becoming a lot more common to undertake bathroom renovations. This can be quite a daunting task for homeowners. If you're thinking of renovating your bathroom, it's important to know what you're getting yourself into. There are a lot of things you can do in a bathroom to make it a home centerpiece. One of the things most people struggle with is figuring out how to have a cozy bathroom. A lot of times, people don't realize that a comfortable bathroom can be one that is more sleek and modern, decoration playing more of a role rather than necessities. Here are some aspects of the bathroom renovation process to consider. What you will use the space for. Where you would like to spend your time. How much you can afford. Your existing fixtures and design. Your current decor. The importance of a budget. Home improvement bathroom projects are expensive. Consumers can use budgets to not only achieve their goals but also cut down on the costs associated with the project. Before you start any home improvement bathroom project, it is important to create a budget. Calculating the approximate cost will help you stay within your budget. Homeowners can use this cost to decide whether the project will be worth the expense. One way to cut down on costs is by doing things yourself. Tips for DIY projects include using cheaper materials, doing the project in stages over time, and teaming up with other homeowners. It is important to stay within your budget, whether you are doing the project yourself or hiring professionals. It is also important to make sure you are hiring the right professionals, who are qualified for the project. It is important to plan these things out and make sure that you don't go over your budget. A good way to think about this is to divide the project into small parts, and then create a budget that is pertinent to that part. This way you will know more specifically the costs, and you won't go over budget by much. You might want to start by weighing your options, the things that you might want to include in your bathroom project. Maybe you want to just fix the tub. Or maybe you also want to add in new tile, new lighting, new cabinetry, paint, and a new mirror. You might find that if you break it up into sections, you'll find that your budget is more than enough to complete all the sections, and you still have room in your budget for any emergencies. How to choose the right bathroom renovation. Home improvement bathroom. Choosing the right bathroom renovation is tricky. The finishing touches can determine the feel of the whole space. Before you start your renovation, take time to choose the paint color, tile, and finishes that will really bring the room together. The right paint color can go a long way to making a bathroom feel modern or cozy. Choose something that you love. A punchy red or deep forest green will make the room feel fresh and new. A soft yellow or light blue, on the other hand, can make the room feel serene and cozy. The right tile can make the bathroom feel modern or rustic. For a more modern look, you might want to opt for something like marble or glass tiles. For a more rust ice effect, you might try a brushed metal. The wrong tile can also have effects. It's important to take into account what style your house is. If you have a classic style, a modern bathroom might not entirely look right. Bathroom tiles should also be a tasteful color to offset the other blues and whites in the room. Denim might work well to add a splash of color. Understanding additional features. Home improvement bathroom. Understanding additional features for your bathroom is essential. There are a number of bathroom style and size combinations available, meaning that there is something that will suit everyone. For a small, windowless bathroom, a tub or a large shower enclosure can be a practical alternative to a small shower. A corner shower tub will also suit a small bathroom. Back-to-wall toilets can save space too. An asymmetric basin can be used to create a focal point. A corner basin should be used in a large bathroom to save space. Imagine Mr. Tony has just done home improvement bathroom. Last month, our bathroom had an offer to install a few features that typically do not come with a standard bathroom. We were quite pleased with the addition of a heated towel rack, a combination toilet and sink, and a toilet with a built-in bidet. These additions came at an extra cost, but we felt that they were worth the extra invested money. In the end, we feel that our bathroom has been upgraded. Choosing the right tile for your bathroom. Home improvement bathroom, choosing the style, type, and material of the tile in your bathroom is an important factor when it comes to upgrading your bathroom. Choosing the right tile for your bathroom will depend on how you plan to use the bathroom. When it comes to bathroom tiles, there are many types and styles to choose from. You will need to know what size tiles you want, the color of the wall, and the color of the grout. You should be aware of what you need for your bathroom, and look for tiles that will work well. Conclusion. The home improvement bathroom is a must-have for a quick and easy fix. When a small bathroom is a major problem, consider a bath remodel. Bathroom remodeling offers a fast and inexpensive solution. You can keep your bathroom functioning, not to mention looking great, but you'll need to stop what you're doing to make a call to your local remodeling company. The cost will depend on how much remodeling you need. Home improvement bathroom DIY can be done with a limited budget as long as you have a plan, an organized workspace, and a list of materials. First, with a plan, it often depends on the state of the bathroom you are remodeling. If it is badly in need of a new paint job, the material list is going to be a lot longer with a lot more expensive materials. However, if you are just looking for ways to make it more functional, you will only need the materials for the projects, like new handles, fixtures, or another small home improvement to remodel. Well, have fun out there getting to know your bathroom and your house a little better. Like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Click the link below this video if you would like to read the full article and other articles about real estate in BC, Canada.